So we've got the PE Ranger just as a printed circuit board. If you saw the Resurrection-y bit video, this I explained about these PE Rangers and so on. I've got it on an extension speaker, so I've got to, because we've taken the case away and it's waiting for parts to put it back in the case. But I thought we'd do the on the air test at this point, and then when it's finished we could do a field test where we actually take it out with Mr. Chippie's body cam, etc. Yeah, we've got that. So receive should be pretty well normal. We're on channel 14 because we're very limited with what crystals are in it. Mostly these have one channel. This one's been fitted with 4, but only 3 of them are working. And so we're going to be on channel 14. 13 was another option, 9's another option. So make sure Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Alright, we're recording.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. So this is 350 milliwatts output. They're supposed to be half a watt, but when they said they were half a watt, it's before they added these filters in. So it's half a watt if you didn't have the filter, but you've got to have the filter. So they're not 500 milliwatts.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, is there a price or is it gone?
Yep, 171.9 and 182.9.
Roger, got you on that. Thank you.
Roger.
Well, that's a bit of information conveyed over this strange radio.
Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
So we're just coming up to a mile now. So, you know, this is 350 milliwatts, so, you know.
Alright, we're now going over the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going over the top of the hill. This may be goodbye, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, roger that.
So he's now about 1 3/4 miles away.
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a PE Ranger and it's doing 350 milliwatts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
That's excellent, thank you.
No problem.
Wow, how's that for Scratchy Corner?
Right, going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Yep, roger that.
Roger, can't be bad. Where's our squelch is dropping now?
I could actually tell what you were saying, not just that I knew you were replying.
Roger, got you.
Right, now passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn, over.
Yep, all received.
Excellent. Wow, that's the 4 mile point. So I'm now having to fiddle with the squelch, which is set to 1 microvolt.
The Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn, over.
Yep, roger, once again, all received.
Roger, excellent. So when we drop the this back on the test set when it's finished, I might just reduce the squelch threshold.
Now going over crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Do you have a price on petrol, over?
Yeah, like you say, Roger's lost another crossing. He's probably asking about petrol price. But that's to do with his context here that I need to get this fully. I think it's 165.9.
What's it? 2.9, I think he said. Right, well that concludes the test, thank you if you read me.
Yep, I'll do that.
1010. Right, we just about made that on 350 milliwatts. How impressive is that? And a lot of that is the incredibly good speech processing that this radio has. It should really pack a punch. So we'll go over to our base station. We'll see what that sounds like. It might sound like nothing you've ever heard before. Target 21 on the CE Ranger 27 FM, 350 milliwatt and portable or transportable from 1981 from Autumn Products Limited. Thanks for watching.